Hey Cruz, Miss Julia here, and I just want to talk you through how to add more rows to your vocabulary log as well as your independent reading log. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your vocabulary log, and once you get to the last row, you're going to right click, or maybe that means you take your two fingers and click on your mouse pad, and you're going to insert row below. Now you're going to notice my row is really tiny, so I'm going to hit enter a few times to make the row bigger. Then I'm going to right click, insert row below, and do it again. If you want to be a little bit more efficient with this, you can click edit, redo. Oops. Ignore what I just said. Insert row below, then edit, redo. And then you would add the spaces after that. Now the reading log is going to be a little bit different just because we have that extra information in there. Now I'm on the last entry. I'm going to select just one table and I'm going to copy. So right click or two fingers, copy, or you can click Control C. I'm going to go below that entry and I'm going to either hit Control V for paste or right click, paste. And then I'm going to make sure my formatting looks good. And you can paste again, or you can hit edit, redo. We are super proud of you for how much you are adding to your vocabulary logs and your reading logs. Keep it up, and as always, let us know if you have any questions. Bye.